The GCSE English Literature exams are going to be held on May the 11th and May the 19th this year. That's just 3 months away. If you're studying Macbeth, A Christmas Carol, and Inspector Calls, Jekyll and Hyde, or the Power and Conflict Poetry Anthology, and if you have any gaps in your knowledge and understanding of those texts, or you just want to go over them to reinforce your knowledge and build up your confidence before your exams, then I've got you covered. My name's Tim. I'm an English teacher with 30 years of experience, and I've been tutoring at GCSE level for the past 10 years. I've also written a book called 10 Ways to Improve Your Grades in GCSE English, available on Amazon. And I'm very excited to be announcing a new series of workshops in which once a week I'd go through those set texts and focus on a different aspect of them. We'll focus on the context to get those valuable AO3 points. We'll talk about the plot to make sure you fully understand everything that happens in them. We'll talk about characters and themes, and I will guide you to the best quotations to use to illustrate those characters and themes, plus ways to memorize the quotations quickly and easily. We'll also go through past paper questions, analyzing extracts together, and I'll show you how to structure your answers to get the highest possible marks. I'm offering a free taster workshop this coming Saturday at 11 o'clock in which I'll explain more about these workshops, what to expect from them, and I'll answer any questions you might have. If you're interested, just type interested plus the name of the text that you want to study the most, and I'll get back to you with a link. I hope to see you there.